If what comes to mind is a cake, then you need to watch this video to the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So yes, this is not a cake. I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, soft, colorful homemade meat pie. So you need all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt and nutmeg for this recipe. Mix everything together and add your butter. So use your hand to mix the flour and butter together. Do this until it's well mixed. To achieve the pink-like look, you need a food color. I added a pink food color to a warm milk, mix it together and then add it to the dough. Leave the dough to rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you sprinkle some flour onto your working surface and then you cut the dough into 3. Flatten it out, then you cut it to your desired shape. I'll be using a baking tin, that's the one you saw earlier. So here, just flat everything out, put it in the baking tin. You cut the edges as well. A special shout out to Aunt Florence. Mama Florence, thank you for always engaging on my post. I really appreciate you so much. And also to Dimman for always engaging on my post and commenting. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now it's time to put in the filling. So I'm using corned beef, some vegetables and cheese for the filling. Once you are done with the filling, you cover it with the dough and then you press it. Make sure everything is evenly spread out. After we need an egg wash, so 1 egg and a milk, you whisk everything together. So I'm baking this for 30 minutes in 200 degrees. Guys, your colorful pie is all done. Look at that. So juicy, so soft. This is perfect for snacks, parties. You can even sell this. You don't want to miss the packaging. It's so beautiful. I bought this from the TikTok shop, so if you need it, I can send you the links and grab yourself one. You don't need the conventional way. This is so beautiful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.